Sinabi ko na wag na nga ho kayo mag-alala. Nandito na ako sa airport. Nakarating naman ako ng ligtas at sigurado akong makakarating din ako ng ligtas sa Amerika.
Aba, ako'y nag-aalala lamang. O siya, ako'y mamamalengke pa. Ikakamusta na lang kita sa lola mo. Ikaw ba'y hindi nalimot ang iyong rosaryo?
Si mama naman, opo, dala ko lahat. Pati ata buong altar natin na ipinadala nyo na.
Sinasabi ko naman talaga sa iyo, Eugene. Hindi ka ba man nakakaalis ng tuluyan? Malilintikan ka na sa akin.
Si mama, hindi mabiro.
O siya, sige, mag-iingat ka ha. Ika'y tumawag pagkarating mo ron.
Sige po, bye ma, love you.
Hey, Saul, are you okay?
Oh, hey there, Mom. I'm fine.
Are you sure? You don't look that fine. Is everything alright? You look anxious.
No, everything is alright. Don't worry.
Celine, I am your mother. You can tell me everything.
No, it's just that I feel overwhelmed by everything, Like, I can't wrap this gift properly. Stepdad's family, it's too noisy. I mean, it's not their fault, but,
Celine, I know moving to a new country with a different environment feels too fast and new to you. I know you don't blame them, but sweetie, everything will be alright. I know they are being too loud, but it's the way they bond, Family bonding is a part of their culture.
Mom, when you first got here before, did you feel different?
Of course I do. I was shocked. I am not familiar with this country.
Well, then how did you get over it?
Celine, the Philippines is a beautiful country. It is different from the States. But sweetie, in order to adjust to these kinds of things, you'll have to accept it, okay? I was able to adjust because I love your stepfather that I am marrying him.
I don't know, Mom. I don't think I'll be able to easily adjust the same way like you do.
We are not expecting you to move on suddenly. Time will fly and just let it be, okay? And that is why I'm here. I'm not just gonna marry your stepfather, I am honoring his culture. I am giving back what he had provided for us before. I'll tell you what. Why don't you take a break and call your online friend to see where he is now? It's a long flight,
Oh yeah, I forgot about Eugene. Be right back.
Celine, I just mopped. Take off your slippers before you enter the house.
Hello?
Eugene, hey, how's your flight?
Oh, hey Saul, it's going great.
How many hours till we get there?
It will take long. Flight says it will take at least 17 hours,
Oh, you don't have to worry about that. It's normal. So, are you getting nervous about your new home?
A little bit. I'm actually more excited, I've been studying for the past few years about your environment here and I think I can do it. Plus, I came here for education. I'm excited about the opportunities. How about you?
Meh, quite the opposite. I'm having a hard time.
Really? Why is that? My country is great,
Well, nothing is wrong about it. I'm just really having a hard time adjusting. I wish I could do it like my mom did.
I'm pretty sure that your mom did not quite take it easily on her first time. Don't worry, it will take time but you'll get there. Have faith and trust God.
Quite religious, aren't you?
Of course I am. You'll find more about those as you stay there. Heh.
Really? Okay, I'll try my best not to think about it too much.
Anyway, it's a long flight. I should take some rest. Good luck with that and tell me about the wedding preparation soon.
Okay, bye!
Bye! Kaya mo yan, girl!
Kaya mo yan? What's that?
Yes! It means you can do it in Tagalog.
Wait, what? Are you sure?
Yes na yes!
If this means something awful or a curse in Tagalog, I swear I will knock you off.
No, I swear, promise, kahit mamatay pa si Batman.
Batman?
Sige na, bye!
Celine, come downstairs. I want you to meet someone.
Be right there. What's up, Mom?
Sweetie, I want you to meet your stepdad's niece. She's the same age as you. I just think that you and her could bond to help you feel more comfortable being here.
Oh. Okay, hello. I am Celine. You can call me Sol.
Hi! Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Laura. Pamangkin ako ni Tito Arnold.
Oh, Laura, I am so sorry. Celine is not quite familiar with your language yet. She's still learning.
Ay, ganun po ba? Don't worry po, Miss Milani. I can teach her some Tagalog words that she can use in her everyday life naman po.
That will be nice, Laura. Thank you. And Celine, why don't you and Laura go outside so you and her could talk?
Oh, okay.
Bye and have fun. Be back before sunset.
So, are you joining your mother with the preparation for their wedding?
I tried to, but sometimes Mom kept insisting. She wants me to spend more time roaming around here and learn new things.
Same thing with my mother. She was Tito Arnold's younger sister. She insisted on helping, but they both kept rejecting the help. They think they could do it all by themselves.
Well, I'm sure they can. I believe in them.
Don't worry, it's not like I doubt them, but sometimes life is better with help. Especially here, families here in the Philippines like to help each other when it comes to this kind of gatherings. Sometimes it's chaotic, but it's a way of building stronger relationship between members, you know.
I guess so, but by the way, what does po mean? I heard you say it earlier to my mom. Twice, perhaps.
Oh, that? They are Filipino honorifics. Po is partnered with opo sometimes. You use it when you talk with elderly.
Like all the time?
Your choice, to be honest. I wouldn't say all the time, but it's advisable since it's a matter of respect. Respect is highly valued here.
I guess I'll try to use it so people wouldn't judge me.
Don't try to pressure yourself. Keep it slow. It will take time. Besides, you're the kind of foreigner that really looks like a foreigner. So they would understand if you don't use those words.
What do you mean by really looks like a foreigner?
Ah, wala. Don't mind it. It's nothing.
And this is why class culture is important. Not only does it shape individuals and group identity, it stands as a reminder. It also provides a sense of belonging and influences behavior and perceptions. Okay, before you all go take your break, I want to remind you all about your presentation about culture this upcoming Thursday, okay? Prepare all the things that you need. Oh, and okay, that's pretty much for today. I hope you all learned something. Do you have any questions?
None!
Any clarifications?
None!
Alright, that's it. You may all take your break now and see you around, everyone.
Hey Eugene, aren't you gonna eat?
Oh, hey Charlotte. No, I'm not hungry. I just bought a light snack. I'd rather spend my time finishing my presentation for Thursday. I don't like my schoolwork eating too much of my time in my schedule. Besides, I'd want to visit some sorts of places here too.
I've heard a lot about you Filipinos. You all really do value your culture, huh? Can you tell us more about your culture?
Sure, I'm also a businessman here. Take a look at this.
These are colorful and amazing. What are these? Who made this?
These are some of the few things that my grandmother sewed. We have hats, scarves, mini coin purses, and more. I brought it here so I can spread my grandmother's small business in the Philippines. You can actually order it online.
I love this pink hat. These are amazing. Your grandma made this? These are incredible.
And speaking of culture, we Filipinos are no stranger when it comes to sewing. Many people, especially Filipino women, are actually skilled at this kind of things. Even now, I do not blame my ancestors. Just take one look at those smooth and handmade cloth. It's not every day a person gets to see these beauties. Their skills are passed down from generations to another. I may not inherited it, but inherited a lot of things too has been valued from centuries of tradition.
Like what?
My late father was a skilled wood carver. I used to carve figures and home decorations with him when I was a kid, and I would join my mother in the local market to sell those.
Whoa, really? Can you show me sometimes? I would love to see your works.
Of course! Why not?
I am so jealous. I hope I have those kind of culture too.
Don't be. My friend Solin was from here. I'm pretty sure you all had a best holidays. I can't wait to experience those.
You know what? Yes, I love holidays here. You know, on Thanksgiving, we would spend it at my uncle's. It was the best time of the year. I get to be with my little cousins.
Everyone has their own way of celebrating their culture. We all have one of our. Like Miss Miller said earlier, culture stands as a reminder of our identity, a sense of belonging. So now, how to value your culture?
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, but anyway, what snack you got there, huh?
Siyempre, Ding Dong. Oh, baka malito ka. Ako si Eugene, kamukha lang ni Ding Dong Dantes. Pero eto, subukan mo ang Ding Dong. Masarap yan, fresh from the Philippines.
Huh? What on earth are you saying?
Oh, it's nothing. Heh. Sol, are you sure? I can drive you to school.
No po, it's fine. Besides, Laura taught me how to use a jeepney a few weeks ago. I want to try it myself. Be familiarized, you know?
Okay, but be careful, dear. Call me if you need anything, okay?
I will. Bye! See ya!
Huwag kang papayag pag 20 siningil sa'yo ah. 15 lang dapat. Aray!
Arnold!
Kabanatuan. Aalis na oh. Pasok na. Kasya pa 5 oh.
naman eh! Hindi na po kasya! Kalahati na lang ng kayo nakaupo!
Kasya pa lang ma'am. Iipit mo pa. Kabanatuan. Aalis na oh.
Ay, okay ka! OMG! Hala, sorry po ate!
Ayan, sige bakla ka. Ikaw kasi nakikipagtalo ka pa sa akin.
Oh, no, don't worry about it. Listen, can I ask? Sorry, I'm running really late, but can you tell me where my school is? I forgot and I'm new here. I'm not quite familiar with the places. Also, the jeepney. Can you tell me which one to ride?
Chuta ka, bes. Kilala mo kasi binabangga mo. Babangga ka na lang, yung foreigner pa.
Bakla ka, di ka naman sinasadya! Humingi ata ng tulong, bes. Saklolo?
Ano sa klolo? School daw, bes. School yung nahanap niya. Diyos mio kang bakla ka. Saan ka pupulutin ng nanay mo?
Ah, hello! Your name what? Where did you go? You want to come? Come, let's go. Follow me.
Bakla ka, foreigner yan. Ginawa mong aso.
You know what? People like this are so judgmental. Don't be with them.
Anyway, do you know which school you go to?
Oh, I'm currently enrolled at Our Lady of Fatima University. Do you know where that is?
Hala, OMG ka te. Doon din kami nag-aaral.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa. Hindi mo nakikita na kanina pa tayo tinitignan ng nakunot noo. Hindi niya tayo naiintindihan, bes. Tagalog ka pa ng Tagalog.
Oo na bakla, ako na mali. Lagi naman eh. Halika na nga. Ayain mo na siya. Malilate na tayo.
Congrats, Eugene! Your paper is such a success.
Thanks, Charlotte. This really helps me a lot.
I know, right? I've seen your progress, and I must say, you're incredible. You were able to adjust so quickly.
Thanks. I love it here and I think the environment being healthy helps me to be more comfortable here, you know.
It is impressive of you. You make me curious sometimes how you did it so quickly and made it look so easy.
Well, it's not that easy. I would not say that.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, I do have a question. Did you miss your culture back home?
Of course. It's not that easy to adapt to a new one when you've experienced one throughout your entire life.
And because of that, are you gonna go back?
What? No. This is not an experiment in my life to just leave behind after being useful. It's a part of my journey. It's an experience, an opportunity perhaps.
Well, aren't you just gonna miss home every day?
Well, experiencing different culture is like feeling something different. You don't know if good or will be bad. You will see it as well time will change.
Bes, kadiri ka naman.
Hala, anyari bakla!
Sa ugasan ng sandok mo sinuso yung kwek-kwek, hindi sa suka.
Kadiri!
Biro lang, bes. Laki kang OA, no?
Bakla, kung hindi lang kita kaibigan, isipin ko masamang espiritu ka.
La, tamis mo naman.
Hello, magkano po?
40 lang iha.
Sige po, ito po yung 50.
Sol, alam mo, kabilis mo nakapag-adjust. Parang dati lang, kinakwenta mo sa amin na nahihirapan ka.
True ka dyan. Alam mo, sumakses ka sa part na yan.
Bakla ka kasi. Tagalog lang inaral yan, hindi yung humor mo, te.
Aray ha, kailangan man batok, ha?
You two need to lay off sometimes. Anyway, my parents' wedding is next month. We got it all planned out, and my mom wants me to invite both of you to the reception.
Hala, bes, true ba?
It's an intimate wedding, and my mom trusts both of you, so they want you to come along on her special day.
Hala, naiyak ako. I feel so special. I feel so special.
Anyway, I've got to go. I promised Laura I'll help her manage their store.
Okay, bes, pero wait lang. For $1 million question muna tayo.
For $1 million question?
Okay, fine. What is it?
You always love yourself before. If you're gonna look back now, do you think you've made it far?
Eh, English yon. Nice one.
Well, to answer your question, I wouldn't say I've made it that far, but I must say the obstacles in this journey are still far to end. Yes, I've overcome that certain part in my life, and I will continue to do so.
Pero sa lahat, ano talaga mga pinaka nagustuhan mo dito?
The culture, of course.
Yee, nakaka-proud naman. Proud Pinoy tuloy ako.
Proud Pinoy? Wallpaper mo nga ay mga Koreanong naka-abs.
Hoy, shut up ka nga, bakla.
Pero real nga, hindi mo ba nami-miss yung mga kasanayan mo ron?
Well, I learned to accept things on any occasion. After all, acceptance is always the last thing to do.
Like when?
Like when the sky feels different.